recycle construction materials, concrete, asphalt, anything from all around the Denver area. The Komatsu excavator is a great excavator. It's very fuel efficient, minimal downtime. Their operator comfort is exceptional and they're productive.
We've been working with Power Motive for a couple years now. The hydraulic power and the equipment has been very good.
I'm able to deal with a lot of the rebar and get it off to the side so it doesn't stick in the crushers and cause them problems. The responsive controls are great. It runs pretty smooth, very comfortable. I can see everywhere around me. I like the window in the sunroof so I can see the boom when I go higher.